Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to speed up Edge and make Edge load faster, increase downloading speed of Edge. Now first we're going to open up our Edge browser, and from here click on the three dots you can see at the top right, and once you're here click on extensions. You can click on manage extensions right here, and what you can do here is to remove any unwanted extensions that can make Edge function slower. So for example, if you have unimportant extensions, you can click on remove at the top again, remove, and remove once again. Next would be to click on the three dots again and click on settings. From here at the left part of the screen, you can see cookies and site permissions. Below share, copy and paste. Click on cookies and site permissions. And what we're going to do is to focus on these permissions right here. Make sure that your location, camera, and microphone is set to ask first. If not, you can click on one and make sure that ask before accessing is turned on and it is not blocked or allowed. Next thing would be to click on the three dots again at the top right. Click on settings. And what we're going to do is to click on start home right here. And we have some options. When Edge starts, open the new tab page, open tabs from the previous session, and open these pages. We can select open these pages right here, and we can add a new page to specifically open that when Edge starts. So click on add a new page, and we are going to type in the URL of the favorite search engine that you have. For example, we're going to enter the URL of Google. www.google.com. Click on add, and what that does is when you open Edge, it will open google.com. For example, when you open Edge, it should load up the Google search like this one. Now next is to increase our download speed. To do that, we have to create a new tab, and we are going to type in Edge : / and flags. Hit enter, and you should be at this page. From here, we search for parallel downloading, and this option should pop up. What we're going to do here is to set it from default to enabled. We have enabled parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. And we have to restart Microsoft Edge right here. And once you have restarted this, you also have to restart your computer. So close this one and restart your computer and open up Microsoft Edge again. And that is how you can basically speed up Edge and make Edge load faster, as well as the downloading speed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.